What's up everybody, StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. Thanks for asking, I appreciate it. Today, we are going to be changing out the shield, the clear shield, for the RST Blue shield. I think she's going to look pretty. It's a little light though, colored. Wish it was a little darker, that's alright. Alright, let's go ahead and change this bad boy out. All you gotta do is take these bad boys, grab it firmly from the top and the front. Nose plate. And you pop it off. It's got these little holes here, just pops right in. Go ahead and get the other one. That one was a lot easier to do. Alright. Now here's the hard part. Rotate it up, the open position, and keep on trucking. Bam, she's off. Easy peasy. Alright, we'll set her to the side. Go ahead and grab your new lens. Ooh. Take it. You wanna put it on these back on here, pop it in, and all you're gonna do, make sure it's still on there, is rotate it down, the closed position, and it's on. It's that easy. And you go ahead and take your covers, place it back in the holes. Snap that bad boy back on there like that. Do the same on this side. Bam! She's done. And that is how you change your shield on your Icon Airflite. You guys are welcome. Alright, if you liked this video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit it anyways. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. For you old guys, I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Love each and every one of you. As always, peace, love, and unicorn. Stevo out.